How to fix something went wrong while attempting to sign into your Steam. So if you're trying to log into your Steam account but it says something went wrong, then there might be a few problems that might have caused it. So first one being your date and time not being correct. So to fix that, just open your settings and then go to time and language, then tap on date and time and make sure all of these are turned on, that set time zone automatically and set time automatically. So this will set your time automatically. And once you do this, what you can do is open your run dialog and then type in %temp% and click on OK. So this will open up all of these cache files that are unnecessary. You can just select them all and click on delete right here. Once you delete them, this may take a while, so all of these cache files will be deleted, and after doing this you should be able to log into your Steam account. But if this still doesn't work, what you can do is go to your search bar and search for apps and open your app settings. Here you'll see add or remove programs and then search for Steam here. You can search for your Steam at the search bar. And if you click on this icon right here, it will say uninstall. So what you can do is uninstall and reinstall the program, and this should fix the problem. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.